Welcome to the Arkansas Weather Blog. We are your ticket to big weather events. I'll try to make this as quick as possible just to show you the latest runs of both the GFS and the Euro as of this Wednesday, February the 11th, early in the afternoon. We're keeping an eye on a storm system which will affect Arkansas Monday and Tuesday. How it affects the state, where the freezing temperatures are, the depth of the cold air, all that is still very much in question. And the European is colder, the GFS not. It's warmer until we get till Tuesday, and then it's both of the models are showing a pretty good snow and ice for the state, which I'm not completely buying into just yet. GFS first. Like I said, I'm gonna try to make this as quick as possible. Just gonna get to the nit and gritty of it. You know what I'm trying to say. Anyway, there's the freezing line, 32-degree line. This is on Sunday at noon. Yeah, everything north of that red line is at or below freezing. The cold air is here on the we're going to get some on Thursday, but I tell you what, Sunday just looks, and wait till I show you the European. Why is that frame missing? Anyway, Monday morning, you see the freezing line now north of Little Rock. According to the GFS, it is much warmer than the European. This chases the cold air out. It's a cold rain, but it's northern Arkansas that has the potential, according to the GFS, northern Arkansas, that has that potential for ice on Monday. The European is more bullish further towards the south, and I think it's going to be in this area generally, right in here. So I think much of central and southern Arkansas, there could be a brief period Monday morning, but the target area, I think, on Monday is this section of the state right in here. All right, so then the surface low passes by, the cold air, there it is, coming in Monday night into Tuesday morning. Placement of this is crucial. Cold air starts to come in, upper level dynamics come in as well, and we're looking at a situation where the rain changes to snow and ice during the day Tuesday from north to south. Woo! Look at that. Tuesday afternoon. This is 156 hours out. Accuracy is not the model's best friend when it gets out to this level, this far. But you know what? We have had a dud of a winter so far with just some cold blasts. I like looking at it. So you know what? I can wish cast all I want. But the thing is that this is plausible, and the European has this as well. Let's take a look at that European. All right, starting this on Sunday. Now here's the first difference that I've seen with the European. It has the cold blast on Sunday. Notice it's got a little patch of this might be snow flurries. I don't know if I buy this, but there's cloud cover, and due to the cold Arctic air and cloud cover, you know the GFS keeps us cold all day Sunday, but it keeps us even colder on the European. We're in the mid and upper 20s for highs in Little Rock. I'm not quite sure about that. All right, so here comes the precipitation according to the European. Here's the interesting thing. Surface low further towards the south, it would appear late Monday. And look at the surface winds out of the east and the northeast. That locks the cold air in place across northern Arkansas especially. And then you really see those northeasterly winds pick up Monday night into Tuesday. Now, this isn't going to show you precip type. It's not from this site. And boy, the precip just continues. And the new area of high pressure comes in, another very strong Arctic high. Boy, next week, winters are rocking and rolling. And just look at that. Precip continues, the 540 thickness line getting into much of northwestern Arkansas, even into central Arkansas. Look at all the snow out here in Texas. I mean, this is just a doozy according to the... And just like the GFS, it changes it all later on in the day Tuesday for much of the state. Look at these temperatures. This is my concern. Remember all that precip going on. This is Sunday morning. There's the freezing line in white. And there it is at noon, still south of Little Rock. And as the precip comes in, Monday morning, it's still south of Little Rock. Precip's coming in, but see how it bounces towards the north? So it's a cold rain. It's northern Arkansas that I'm really watching for Monday, and then watch how it all cools. This is Tuesday at midnight. 32-degree line gets back towards Little Rock, and it's south of Little Rock and southern Arkansas. You're still warm, well, cold, but too warm for anything frozen at this point by Tuesday at 6 a.m. And with 32-degree line, you're talking about snow and ice. And then it goes into southern Arkansas by noon. And then south. I mean, woo! That's some cold stuff, isn't it, with precip. Winter may make up for lost time. Thank you very much for coming to the Arkansas Weather Blog. We are your ticket to big weather events.